Powerful performance, brilliant white light. Always replace in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam from both bulbs on the road. Headlights dim over time. Up to 60% more vision, for a safer drive. Headlights that enhance the style of your vehicle while offering improved performance compared to standard bulbs. DOT compliant. Application high beam, front fog. Philips CrystalVision Platinum Upgrade headlight bulbs deliver a sharp, irresistible look. Ultra-white gradient coating that creates up to 4000 K brilliant white light, and produces up to 60% more vision compared to standard halogen bulb. The perfect choice for those who want to drive with style, without compromising on safety. Top reviews from the United States. Bright. I replaced my 2010 Toyota Corolla lights with these. They are bright with a nice white light on the road, but they still look yellowish to the eye. I've only had one of these headlights fail after about 4 years of constant use, and it may be due to a damaged housing, not the bulb. Great bright headlights that actually last for a good price. What more can you ask for?